how to make an origami book. So start with your paper and make sure there's nothing disgusting on it. Take your paper and fold it in half, and you want to be pretty careful. Use the lines to make sure that everything is straight, and if you do it badly like I'm doing, then just make it right. Okay, then fold it in half a second time, again using the lines to make sure that you're in the right place. And you really want to smush these edges down, and then fold it in half a third time. Okay, really get those edges. Want it to lay nice and flat. Okay, now open it up so that it's folded halfway, and you'll notice that you have 3 open sides and 1 folded side. You're cutting through the folded side. So be sure to cut through the fold or it's not going to work properly. And you're going to cut right up to where the lines make a plus sign. Then open it again and fold it in half long ways. And then this is the tricky part. So you're going to take the ends and squeeze them together until it makes a plus sign. And then just fold the edges over onto themselves. Make sure everybody's laying nice and evenly. Straighten things out if you need to. Find the front cover. And there you have your gorgeous origami book.